How to add debit or credit card on Canadian Tire Bank. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Canadian Tire Login. Now tap on the very first link you see there. You will then be led to the login portal of Canadian Tire Bank. Go ahead and sign yourself in using your login credentials, that is, your username and your password. Once signed in, navigate to the Payment Methods tab. Look for a section labeled as Payment Methods or Manage Cards. This is typically found in your account settings. Next, add a new card. Tap on the Add a Card option or a similar option. Now, go ahead and enter the required information including your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Further, review and confirm. Check that all information is accurate. Submit the information to save your card. Now, verification. You may need to verify your card through a text or email confirmation, and finally, check your account. Once added, ensure the card appears in your payment methods and is set as preferred if desired. And if you encounter any issue or need further assistance, contacting Canadian Tire Bank's customer service can provide additional support. So, this is how you can add debit or credit card on Canadian Tire Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.